Hey, what's going on, guys? Pig Gamer here, and today I have another Lego review. As you saw a little bit right there. Oop, I almost dropped the box. This is Lego City Deep Sea Starter Set, set number 60091. It contains 90 pieces, and its recommended ages 5 through 12. So it looks like, don't worry about that light. That light right there. That's the flashlight. Like reflecting off the box. So we have like a little submarine type thing. Got 3 divers. Looks like they're going to get some gems or gold or something like that. Got a shark too. On the back we got some different kinds of actions. Yeah. So this is the instruction manual. Nothing special to it. Alright, so for the minifigures, we have this dude. This is printed. That is printed. The 1x2 tile on the radio type thing. As you can see. Okay. Yeah, let me take his, where's helmet off so you can see the face. Oh, that good. Alright, so that's that guy. And then we have this girl minifigure. She's got the camera. I have never gotten that piece, so that's probably like one of the reasons why I got this set, was for this camera piece or accessory. There you go. Then finally, this guy. He's got the crowbar. There you go. And let me just put these helmets back on there. On their heads. There we go. Then next we have this little thing over here. Nothing special. It's like some shrubbery with like a box and some treasure sticking out. If we move that, that's great. The gem fell out. I see it. Oh. Alright, let me rinse off the dirt. Alright, let's take the 2 gold out. So here's the 2 gold coin things. Nothing special. Just one by one round. And here's a red gem. Pretty cool. Alright, and then here's a shark. Actually have a different version of the shark, but I'll show you like the difference between the two after. It's like really different. And then finally this submarine looking thing. These don't shoot. These things don't shoot. They're probably obvious that they don't shoot, but might as well tell you guys anyways. I don't know what this little glass thing down here does. That's actually another piece I wanted to get to, because I never had that piece. These things move as well. Then here are the extra pieces. I got a 2x4 towel for some reason. I don't think you usually get those for extra pieces. I got another goggle piece or whatever whatever it is. A slope. 2 1x1 round flat pieces. I got one in gold and one in clear. Got one red stud and a claw piece. Alright, so I think that's about it. Besides the shark comparison. Alright, so here is the old shark. As you can see, for the eye, they like poked a hole in it. But in this one, they just painted it. Okay, I don't know how to do this. As you can see, that one has the hole in it, and then this one it does. And under here, it has like a 1x2, like a thing to place it down on. This one is a little bit bigger. These has gills, the other one doesn't. See, and the fin's different too. That one's like a curved fin. This one is less curved, and the tail this one is like a little bit of a round kind of like thing right here. This one just like goes in like that. And I think the last comparison is this thing, like the things here. It goes like kind of goes in like a right angle triangle kind of thing. And for this one, this is more like a rounded kind of a rounded fin there. So that's the two comparisons. This shark actually doesn't go to the set, but for some reason I just wanted to show you like the two comparison of these sharks. So that concludes the review for the Lego City Deep Sea Starter Set, set number 60091. It contains 90 pieces, and its recommended ages 5 through 12.
Hi.
Hello.
What you do, Ian?
Nothing. Why?
Look at that fucking first shit under there. I'm cleaning your room.
Okay.
While you're in school, I have no baby. I'm throwing your rug out.
Alright.
I'm gonna mop your floor.
Alright.
You got empty water bottles. Give them to me. Throw them away.
I will after.
No.
Sorry about that. My mom just walked in, so yeah, I'm sorry about that. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, press that like button, comment and subscribe. And this is Pig Gamer signing out, and I will see you guys later.